In the summer of 1945, tensions reached their peak as the United States prepared for a decisive strike against Japan. On Tinian Island, the B-29 bomber Enola Gay was loaded with Little Boy, the first uranium-based atomic bomb. Scientists and military personnel worked tirelessly, reviewing maps of Hiroshima, a key military and industrial hub. The target was chosen for its strategic importance, with the hope that the bomb's devastation would force Japan's surrender. The stage was set for one of history's most controversial acts of warfare. At 2:45 a.m. on August 6, 1945, the Enola Gay lifted off from Tinian Island, carrying the fate of Hiroshima in its bomb bay. The crew, led by Colonel Paul Tibbets, was briefed on the mission's unprecedented nature. As the plane soared through the pre-dawn sky, the crew members reflected on the weight of their task. The bomb, secured in the aircraft's belly, represented both a scientific triumph and a potential humanitarian catastrophe. The Enola Gay's flight marked the beginning of a new, terrifying chapter in warfare. At 8:15 a.m., Little Boy detonated 600 meters above Hiroshima, releasing energy equivalent to 15,000 tons of TNT. The blast created a blinding flash, followed by a massive fireball and a mushroom cloud that rose over 60,000 feet. Temperatures at ground zero reached 7,000 degrees, instantly vaporizing everything within a mile. The shockwave flattened buildings and ignited fires across the city. An estimated 90,000 to 166,000 people died, many in the initial explosion. The world had witnessed the destructive power of nuclear weapons for the first time. In the hours and days following the blast, Hiroshima became a landscape of unimaginable suffering. Survivors, many with severe burns and radiation sickness, wandered through the rubble. Hospitals were overwhelmed, and clean water was scarce. The city's infrastructure was obliterated, with only the skeletal remains of a few concrete buildings standing. The Genbaku Dome, though heavily damaged, became a haunting symbol of resilience. The human cost was staggering, with thousands dying from injuries and radiation in the weeks that followed. The bombing sent shockwaves across the globe. Newspapers' headlines proclaimed the dawn of the atomic age, while leaders grappled with the moral implications. On August 15, 1945, Emperor Hirohito announced Japan's surrender, citing the new and most cruel bomb as a decisive factor. The war's end brought relief, but also fear of future nuclear conflicts. The Hiroshima bombing remains a stark reminder of warfare's horrors, sparking debates over ethics, diplomacy, and the pursuit of peace in the nuclear era.